I done ran into some rats, my Dodie. 17, but they treat me like an OG. Niggas know me, but get shows on the multi. Everything for the show. Good YouTube. It's your boy Rex here, and today we're gonna be reacting to another Loveliveserve video. Now we ain't reacted to Loveliveserve in a good minute. I'm not really sure why. I just ain't been like feeling really like, you know what I'm saying, like watching him and react to him. Like, I don't know why, but we back. I guess we're gonna just restart reacting to videos again. And before I start the video, I was not planning to I wasn't planning on dropping this video today. It was gonna be another video, but since I just uploaded it, I mean, why not? So hope you guys having a great day, great night, great morning, and let's just say I got some fire coming for y'all soon. But let's get it, man.
Guy who's mad at his girlfriend.
Okay, well, why were you texting him?
It's literally my cousin. It's literally my cousin.
Why does your cousin look like Channing Tatum? That's my thing.
That's not my fault. I don't know what the hell you want me to tell you.
You didn't want to tell me he was that handsome.
You have issues.
I don't know why you constantly. You know what? Just give me the.
That voice sound like dry or something.
What the hell is that supposed to mean?
Family friendly, you know we can't do that.
What's that supposed to mean?
That's my song I'm playing.
Fuck that bitch. Are you saying fuck me now? Like screw me?
No,
like you don't care about me?
This is like on my playlist randomly.
I don't want to.
It's a random playlist.
No, it's not.
The one who didn't get Spotify Premium.
Hurry into Old Navy.
Tough.
40% off your entire purchase or 50%
She want
off
14% off.
Old Navy card.
What did she say? 14%? Bro, if she said 14%, I'm cold.
Now, buy online and pick up in store today. That's 40% off your entire purchase only at Old Navy.
Sorry, that was the ad. What the fuck is going on?
Delicious to gay hip hop.
There you go. Oh, sweet, thank you. Here we go. What you got for me? Get ready.
Suck him down with my chopper. With my chopper. Suck him till he's sucker. Hey. He can't take this dick. Get him water.
It's still fire.
Shoot him with the gun that better love. I'm on that dick straight. Get it.
Timothy.
All right, Timothy.
Oh, Timothy. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, Timothy.
You got some? Why always gotta play music? Why can't we just drive and be quiet?
Dude, it's the AUX cord video. Just put it just.
Fine. Last time.
Okay, with
something on.
hold on, let's see with Timothy.
Nigga watch, they plot, that why they wearing it. Pussy niggas be McFadden, like Darren. Niggas talk about
The thirsty guy who plays the one
Let
song
me
he knows
chill.
the white guys in the car are going to like.
All right, man. If I get this AUX real quick.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm just
Dang,
gonna put on like
just
one of my
snatched
favorite
it from
songs
him.
that I've been listening to right now. One of my favorite songs. Just playing that.
Oh my god! I love this.
Oh, y'all know this song?
Oh, I definitely didn't know that.
Yeah.
I love this song.
Oh yeah, that's kind of goes. I mean, I guess this is kind of like my favorite.
At that moment, I'm driving a car off the bridge. I'm sorry.
God, wow, holy crap.
The one with the broken aux cord.
Hey, if you could like hold this, yeah, you get it. Like turn it a little bit, then yeah, bend that.
I had to do all that.
If you could, right here, like a little high up. Here, turn it.
Well, to try to like prop it up on us. If you like prop it and like.
The person who turns down the music at the best part.
Hey, she got me in my feelings. Hey, gotta be real with it.
Wait, so where are we going again?
What are you doing?
Where are we going?
Why would you pause the song there?
No one told me where we were going, so I forgot.
Pause it right there. You just had to turn it down. You don't turn it off.
yeah.
Wait, did you turn off your switch, Cheyenne?
Oh,
Again? You're gonna do this again? I don't want the house to burn down.
Why would you?
Kick her out the car, bro. Just fling her door open. Just
House is fine, but
walk out GTA 5. Just do the GTA 5.
The person who doesn't even.
I had a
know
little
what an aux
couple
cord
stomps in
is.
too.
Mom, you're up next.
Up next for
What
what?
is that?
The aux. You need the aux.
This is an ox?
Aux cord, yeah, for your music.
What do I do with this?
I thought an ox was an animal.
And you can pick. You have iTunes or like Apple Music.
I have Apple Music.
So you plug it in. Then you just start playing your stuff.
Alright. Oh, no, back. Your library.
Artists.
There you go.
Okay, here we playing
Who do you want to play? Best favorite artist right now?
Bon Jovi.
Bon Jovi.
All right. The person who thinks they can sing just as good as the artist.
Yep, I know these people.
How many ways can I say that I need you, baby? It's true.
Yep, definitely.
Without you, feeling, I know where you like it. Bro, I can't sing. Yo, chill.
Facts.
What? You can't
Like, why you gotta be a hater, man? Nobody hating on you, bro. Chill.
One more song. Dude, I literally was just warming up. The person who's using their GPS.
Warming up, okay.
Take the 5th exit. Keep left. Take the
Bro,
2nd
Rhino's
exit.
so funny, bro.
Continue straight.
Can you change that?
And continue straight.
Turn left.
Okay. Can you like
Yeah, here.
not have it say?
I'll turn it down.
In 0.6 miles, take the 4th exit. In 1 kilometer,
Oh, come on,
keep
what is
left.
it- what
In
is-
200 meters, turn left.
What are you
turn
using
right.
in that?
Dang.
Continue straight. In 1/4 of a mile, turn right. Turn left. Turn right. Turn left.
Where does
Turn
it- where
left,
does the
turn
app
right,
taking us?
turn
Keep
left.
right.
Where are we going?
Turn left.
Timothy again. All right, Timothy, one more before the video ends. Just one more song,
Oh.
man.
Alright, last song.
It's like, really?
Just be good.
They play Cedar Hunter. Let me chill. Timothy, okay. Every time I'm about to click away, they always say that. But hey, man, hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. You already know we lit over here, man. I'm coming back with these daily uploads again. And, hey, man, if you enjoyed this video, man, make sure to leave a like, man. If you subscribe to the channel, I don't even know what I'm saying right now. I'm just trying to talk fast for no reason because I don't even know what I'm saying. But, hey, man, this was Boys for Reacts, you know, man. I want to thank you guys for 1.2K. I was supposed to say at the beginning of the video, but, you know, I lost brain cells when I eat paintbrushes, so, yeah. I'm gonna just talk to y'all later, though.